This is 2362 Greenville. There's a view to the west, across the street, view to the east. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,100 square feet. And we got parking over here. And a good sized backyard too. And we have a front porch. See the living room over here. And bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. This is the path through to the kitchen. There's the kitchen. Here's the bathroom. Here is the laundry room. Here is bedroom number 3. Here is the backyard. And that's OrovilleRentals.com.